Welcome to PHP Beginners. In this quick tutorial on converting markdown to HTML using both PHP and Python. Whatever you're a web developer or beginner, this video will guide you step by step on how to achieve this with ease. Let's start with PHP. We use parsedown library is simple and efficient tool for conversation. Firstly, install the parsedown library using Composer. Just run command composer require erusev /parsedown. It will install the library. Next step, let's write a simple PHP script to convert markdown to HTML. This script includes require vendor/autoload.php, which includes installed library. Then we will assign parsedown variable to a new instance of parsedown class. Then we define markdown variable, which could be multi-line if you use PHP here doc syntax, and then HTML equals parsedown arrow text, and we pass markdown as a parameter. And at the end, we will run echo HTML, which contains converted HTML text from markdown. If you don't understand something, it's not a problem. We will provide you source code of this example, and you could try it yourself. The link to GitHub repo will be in the description to this video. You could also comment if you have any questions below this video, and we will try to answer all of your questions. So let's move on to a Python example. Firstly, you should install the markdown Python extension. To do it, run the command pip install markdown, which installs it. Let's move to a Python source. The first line is import markdown. The second, we assign markdown text variable, which also could be multi-line syntax if you have a complex value, and also HTML equals markdown.markdown, open parenthesis, and we pass markdown text variable. And the next line is print HTML, which displays converted HTML. That's it. And the next step to run Python 3 and the script file name, and this will convert value of markdown to an HTML, and you will see output below. We also will provide a link to GitHub repository. There you could find the source code of this example. And please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also come back soon to view more PHP and Python videos, video tutorials. Share with your friends and your colleagues the link to this video, and come back soon once again to check if you see a new video tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.